What's up, people? We did the laundry room. We didn't film it, but laundry room's together. Hey, Christine, how are you?
I'm trying to figure out how to tape this door.
Tape it to the trim, not to the wall. The last doorway getting sealed. That doorway sealed, that doorway sealed. Only means one thing, we're painting the other side. We didn't film this one for this channel, but we painted the garage and Gabe just finished up the edging. So, this is what we're painting. All the lights have been pulled out of the dining room and the office. That's why they're dark as hell over here. We got the kills ready to go. Got the GoPro, got the ladder. Going to be up there. We're gonna be painting the stairs. So instead of staining, we're actually gonna paint it all a dark cyberspace. It's gonna be dope. We're gonna be doing that tonight after the kills dries. Get the ceiling done, get the ceiling in here done. We're gonna kills the countertop and we're gonna kills the whole entire tile with the paint sprayer. And then we're gonna come back and hit it with, what's it called? What's the paint called we're using?
Porch and patio floor paint.
Porch and patio floor paint. That's what we're gonna be using on the tile and on the stairs after they are hit with Kills primer. The best shit money can buy. I'm gonna get the ladder set up, get the tripod set up, and we're gonna start spraying. Woo, coat one. Well, the only coat of primer is done. What's up? Hey, Christine.
Hi.
I get what?
You get really hyper and weird.
I'm excited, we're painting. Like it's getting close to finish. Anyways, paint's dried. If you saw yesterday, we primed everything, painted the trim and the ceilings. So this doorway is now back open because this room is technically done, and I also put all the lights back in. So, nice white everything. Dining room, we're gonna be painting the ceiling navy blue. Excited for that. The priming of the floor didn't go as planned. Mostly because we didn't let it dry all the way and we started stepping on it, and by we, I mean me. And yeah, so we gotta redo that. But we're just kind of not worrying about it at this point. Epoxy, not sure about that either. Seems to have had cold shock. But anyways, the stairs. We're gonna paint the stairs. It's gonna be wonderful, it's gonna be great. That's the project for today. Painting stairs and painting the navy ceiling. First thing is going to be the stairs. Second thing is going to be the navy ceiling. We're going to get set up and we're going to get going. The stairs are going to be dark. So, done a lot of time lapses today. But we're done for the day. Another day of painting. The stairs look amazing. Those got to cure for like another 72 hours or something like that, something crazy. The countertop, it's going to need to get redone. Probably just sand it. It's actually really smooth. I'm not gonna lie, like it's really smooth. I think we just need to sand it down and then spray more epoxy on it and it'll be good to go. Ceilings were done yesterday. The new navy ceiling. There is no light in here, but that is navy. It looks black on camera. And the office, as you guys saw, has been painted. Office looks awesome. Still need to do another coat of the network gray on the sides, but the back dark matte flat cyberspace is done. So that's done. And then this just needs one more coat all the way around and it'll be done as well. And I just stepped in paint. All the painting supplies kind of congregated in this room, but I'm finally getting tired for the night. And we're about to call it quits as soon as I get this paint off my foot. Where art thou, Christine?
I think that my ceiling and my staircase look awesome.
How do you feel about the house right now?
Complicated.
I'd say we're in a good spot.
We're getting there.
We move all her stuff in on Sunday,
Yeah.
and it's Tuesday. A lot of work left between now and Sunday to get to that point. But the good news is everything involving the paint sprayer is done. Everything left is just rolling walls, other than epoxying the countertop. We'll see you guys tomorrow when we, well, I'll be here with Gabe, and we're gonna finish up what we can finish up and clean up everything. I think we're gonna paint the second, we'll probably paint the first coat in the dining room, paint the second coat in the office, and then do the second coat in the dining room, and then we can tear all the tarps up and everything. And the reveal, it's done. Walls are painted. Look at the office, looks amazing, right, Christine?
Yes.
Office looks awesome, and then as I back up, we can see the dining room. I want to say kitchen for some reason. You can't really tell on camera that that's navy. It looks just really dark. But I think when we get a chandelier, you'll help a lot with shining light up onto the navy. Can you tell it's navy, guys? Can you see? That's better. Navy. There you go. But this is painted. Walls were painted. We didn't film that because it was just white on white. In here, we're gonna have to postpone the floor for another day. Kills started to peel up in a few areas when we were doing other painting, just timing. Walls in here need painted. They're gonna be painted the same gray as the office over there. And the stairs turned out awesome. These are just amazing. I'm so excited to get a chandelier up there, the shine down on the stairs. And fast forward literally almost a year into the future. That's how long ago that was. I can't remember. I think it was in like May of last year, April, May of last year. We're currently in March of 2022. That was in 2021. But I'm kind of showing you guys the finished product because I never filmed an outro there. We still have yet to do crown molding in here. The room is kind of the way it was. We painted the white walls. We did all of the work in here. Ooh. Doors, that's another video I gotta film. Stairs look awesome. We've actually done a little bit of crown molding, some ceiling fan work. A lot of stuff we just didn't get around to filming because we were in a rush to get this kind of finished towards the end there so that way we can move in and enjoy it. And man, have we been enjoying it. It's amazing. The office is fully furnished out in here with all of my stuff. Shelving and everything looks amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We haven't really been posting much on this channel. We don't really intend to post much on this channel. It's just gonna be kind of like a recap of our process of buying and building out the house. So like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Next one will be painting the cabinets, which are officially done in that other room.